this video, I'm going to show you how to do the cool transition thing where there's a circle and it reveals art. So what we're going to do, I have a new layer selected. I have my reference layer and I have my art layer. And so I'm going to want to take the art layer and drag it on top of the reference layer. Then click on the reference layer and click on the plus right here. So you have a new layer. Then you want to take your art layer, double click and click clipping mask. Then go to the empty layer. You can take any color and draw a shape, like you can draw a square or a circle. And then you're going to want to click the arrow here. And that way, make sure to uniform so it doesn't go everywhere and stretch out. So you can move it around everywhere and expand it to do the transition. You can also do a transition by taking the color and color dropping it.